sitting at 58 degrees. Cloudy skies out there. North wind only coming in about 3 miles per hour. That's good news. The wind has calmed down, and with a calmer wind as we head into the day tomorrow, more sunshine and warmer temperatures, it's going to feel a whole lot better than it felt this weekend. Numbers getting into the lower 70s as we head into tomorrow afternoon. But right now, only in the low 50s in a place like Sussex, 55 at Poughkeepsie. Our high today was only 66 in Central Park. The average high this time of the year is 75 degrees. We should be warmer in early June than it was this weekend. And we're looking at a couple of showers north and west of I-287. Those will be weakening. Skies will be clearing out overnight tonight, but there could be a couple of raindrops next couple of hours well north and west. 54 by early tomorrow morning in the city, more like 40s north and west, maybe even some low 40s, maybe even some upper 30s in the more rural locations over the Poconos and Catskills. Could be some scattered frost out there. Again, we have that frost advisory for Sullivan and Western Ulster County, 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. on Monday. But look at the recovery we get during the afternoon. A lot of sunshine getting our numbers up into the lower 70s. Heading into Tuesday, even better if you like this summer-like warm-up. We're talking about numbers getting up to around the 80-degree mark Tuesday afternoon. A little bit cooler, of course, on Long Island with the wind off the cool waters of the Atlantic, keeping it in the lower to middle 70s there. All the while, again, smoke from these Canadian wildfires, which is impacting the Midwest right now, will be shifting off to the east. I know this map kind of looks scary, but a lot of this smoke will be aloft and will just be creating kind of a hazy appearance to the sky. Occasionally, some of it circulates down to the surface and could cause a slight degradation in air quality. So the air quality might be moderate over the next couple of days instead of good, but we're not expecting any truly unhealthy air quality coming up. Pollen, medium to high. Top allergens being grasses and oak, and the UV index will be a 7, which is high heading into your Monday. At the beaches, 1 to 3 foot waves out there. It's a low to moderate risk of rip currents. Water temperature still only in the middle to upper 50s. So 54 for a low tonight. A stray shower north of I-287, and then mainly clear and cool for June. 40s in many outlying areas overnight. We're up to 73 tomorrow. We like that. Not as cool out there. More sun than clouds. Watch for some of that smoke or haze, especially west of New York City, by later on in the day in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So you just see that veil of haze as you look off to the west. 60 for tomorrow night for a low, pretty comfortable out there. Tuesday, there you go. There's your first 80-degree day of the week. Hazy sunshine and warmer. Again, that haze caused by the smoke from the Canadian wildfires. 85, even warmer. And you'll notice a bit more humidity in the mix by Wednesday. 88 on Thursday. We'll be touching 90, I think, west of New York City. Very warm and humid. Could be a spotty shower, a thunder shower late Thursday afternoon. Steamy on Friday. 84. Very humid out there. Watch for a thunderstorm around. Not going to be a washout. There will be some peaks of sun. Now, Saturday could be a day that's a little bit more active. A few showers and storms. That high getting up to about 81. We're back to a pair of 7s. About average for this time of the year. Not as humid by Sunday. So, Tanya, your pick is?
I know what. I'm going to flip it. I'm going to say the whole week is my pick except for Saturday.
Okay,
I'm going to pick one day that I don't like, and the rest is great.
You can't go wrong with that.
There you go. Jeff, thank you so much for that. That's the news for now. Thanks so much for staying up with us. I'm Tanya Rivero. Eyewitness News returns tomorrow morning at 4:30.
Anchorage paving stones make your outdoor dreams come true.
We need more emotion. Let's move on. Action.
Our unique Armortech process keeps colors rich and they'll stay beautiful for years to come.
Emphasize ArmorTech. Project more.
It's not easy working with family, but with Cambridge, you can easily make your outdoor dreams come true.
With Armortech, your outdoor dreams come true.